Well, happy Monday to you. I'm meteorologist Josh Stone in for John Scalzi today. He has the day off. Well, we all know what happened over the weekend, especially last Friday when we had a landfalling Category 1 hurricane in Florence. And right now, Florence is a tropical depression, has sustained winds of 30 miles per hour moving to the north and a northeast about 13 miles per hour, so very slowly, but it's still producing the very heavy rain, especially through portions of North Carolina. We'll zero into some of these spots here. You can see Raleigh, Sanford, let's see, Southern Hines, and even around Greenville here. Heavy rain coming down over the same areas where they experienced heavy rain over the weekend. And for at least until later tonight, it's forecasted to have an additional 4+ inches of rain, some locations through North Carolina, stretching now into Virginia. Remember, some of these areas are pretty hilly, especially inland. So not only are you talking about the flood threat, but potential mudslides as well. For our area, it's flat, no issues with any tropical systems right now. It's quiet. Radar is quiet. Had a little shower activity off the coast of Rotunda, maybe just right off of Inglewood offshore here, but it's over open waters and not affecting anything. I think for the most part today we're only going to have a 20% chance of shower activity for us. 78 degrees right now, so pretty quiet outside, a few clouds. Winds are going to be light today, but the pattern is actually going to change. We're going to have more of a southeasterly flow as we go through this week, so that's going to be good because over the weekend we had more of a westerly, northwesterly wind, and this report came out on Friday, and unfortunately the red tide was pretty high and it was miserable over the weekend if you lived on the coast. It's dry air scooted in over the weekend, but now we're going to have more moisture come our way as we go through the next few days. So only about 20% chance of shower activity today. Maybe some heavier storms could develop to the south of our area, but we'll have to watch that closely. Another tropical system in the Caribbean, this is a tropical wave, Isaac, but it is encountering some wind shear here as it continues to move west and northwest, so no issues there. Our high tops out at 90, and here's a breakdown of the 7-day outlook as we go through the next few days. The shower activity does ramp up because I talked about that southeasterly wind, so a typical pattern for this time of the year, and highs topping out about where they should be in the upper 80s and lower 90s. Back to you.